connect the connector right here. You can use a pick or a screwdriver. Just slide that up, slide it off. There's a bracket right here. You have to take this off. If you use a pick or a screwdriver, just push on the tab right there, slide up. And there's one on the other side as well. And slide that bracket off. Just grab the sensor, just wiggle it up a little bit and slide it off. Take the new sensor, line it up, slide it in place. Take that bracket and just slide it on. Lock it in place. Then you can connect the connector. Lock it down.